Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. In this video, I'll be showing you a product from IKEA which is called as MALVAKT, MALVAKT, or maybe a product called as NARSPEL, NARSPEL. So if you see this product here which I have, which is currently being used as dining table, you see this product here. Yeah, this is from IKEA. I got it from IKEA store Hyderabad, and this looks pretty good. The color is gray, and the chairs which I have used, even these are also from IKEA, but I will be making a separate video for this. So when I went to buy a dining table in IKEA, first of all I went to the circular hub where you basically find the the little bit older or maybe a little bit used products. I may not say used it, but sometimes it is from the demo store, or they have the demo rooms right from there. If it's become little older, or the product is not that useful, they do keep that on the circular hub, and you can find that in the circular hub for a reduced price. Maybe you need to pay 30%, 40% less compared to the maximum retail price that they sell. So this is MALVAKT, MALVAKT, and you see the edges are really good. The quality is really good. Let me see if it can. I'm not able to focus. Yeah, if you see this, edges are really good quality edges. You won't find any problem with that. And the legs having a dual stands, like in each legs will have the dual supports. Because of that, even it can withstand a little high weight as well. And these legs are built of, I think it is steel or maybe iron, I don't know, maybe I think so. It is not of wood. Basically it's made up of steel. And I think here is the product barcode. I don't know, it is called as, the name here is LAGKAPTEN, lacten. I think the wooden top is called as lacten, and including all it is called as MALVAKT. And the only problem which I faced with this particular table is that if you find, or if you get any kind of scratches like this, if you see here, you see the scratch over here. Yeah, any kind of scratch that you find here will lead to, maybe once you are trying to clean this will, the side, or maybe if you see the just nearby portion will get swollen, because I think it is absorbing the water. And this is the only problem. Make sure that you are not using it for a dining table, rather you can use it for a work desk. If you are going to use it for a dining table, you have to take extra care of it. And even if you notice here, there are 2 or 3 patches as well. We found it here. I mean, see these 3 patches here. If you are able to notice these 3 patches, these are all from just a stroke of a spoon. So you need to really be very careful about it, so that it looks good. At the same time, you have to maintain it well as well. Okay, so product purchase link will be there in the description section. You can, if you are planning to purchase, you can buy it from IKEA store, or try to visit circular hub first. If you find such products in circular hub, get it from there. And that's all guys for this video. In the next video you will find an unbox or maybe a review of this particular chair which I am going to show you. Thank you, and thanks for watching.